everybody. This is Aanchal Gupta, founder of healthx247.com. We are an e-commerce website with finely curated products on health, wellness, fitness and lifestyle. Our mission is to alleviate pain and spread wellness one home at a time. Welcome to our wellness shows. In our wellness shows, it is our endeavor to bring experts from various fields of health, wellness, fitness and lifestyle. They come here and share their experience with you. The experts who we have here today is a physio-occupational therapist. She is also a sports medicine consultant and she is also a weight loss management expert. She has an experience of over 23 years in this industry and she has been associated with Sujay Hospital in Juhu since the past 15 years. She has recently opened a new center in Bandra as well. Please welcome Dr. Sameera Gupta, the founder and medical director of Dr. Sameera's Physio Slim Clinic.
Thank you, healthx247.com. It's my pleasure to be on this show and I'm happy to be here.
So Dr. Sameera, as a physio-occupational therapist and with your vast experience of 23 years with specific interest in orthopedics and neurology, I wanted to ask you what are the most common conditions that you experience or that you see among patients?
Yes, in today's time and day, there is general conditions of aches and pains which the patients are complaining about. I would like to be specifically talking about the knee joint. Knee joint is, goes through a lot of wear and tear, and there are degenerative changes which are happening and leading to osteoarthritis, which is a very common condition in today's time.
Dr. Sameera, you mentioned about aches and pains, specifically those leading to osteoarthritis. I wanted to know, how does this really happen?
Okay, well, osteoarthritis is something which is the wear and tear of the joint. The bones which are making the knee joint, they're covered with a certain cartilage. The cartilage gets eroded and that causes degeneration, and because of which there are spurs at the edge of the bone, and due to constant walking, stair climbing and sitting cross-legged, they further undergo degeneration, causing swelling and pain.
Is this gender specific? Also, do you see this common across certain age groups of people?
It is gender specific. I would say prominently there are a lot of females that are undergoing osteoarthritic changes. Of course, men are not eliminated from that. They do undergo the same thing, but we see more prominence in females. Second thing is that we also look at patients which are more, though theory says 50 plus, but I look at patients from 40, 45 onwards which are having severe changes, swelling, pain, difficulty in stair climbing, walking, squatting, and that's what we need to really deal with.
That's right, Dr. Sameera. A lot of people are experiencing these kind of aches and pains, and sometimes these aches and pains can be very debilitating as well.
Absolutely. Right.
Yeah. So, what are the kind of solutions that you suggest for these kind of aches and pains? And specifically, in some people have that nagging pain in their knee, or for example, what is the kind of solution that you can provide?
Yeah, Aanchal, as a doctor, I would always go on the principle of RICE, that is rest, icing, and compression and elevation. Along with the prescription of an orthopedic, I would advise you to take non-steroidal anti-inflammatories. On physio evaluation, if there is anything that is a specific pain on a local site or a generalized site, that can be taken into consideration too. There is a lot of wear and tear, and there is sometimes nagging pain that you are talking about, where we are looking at giving it a lot of exercises for better stamina and better strength training.
Doctor, you mentioned about the RICE therapy just now. So I would like to have your opinion on one of the new products that we have launched on healthx247.
Sure.
So Doctor, this is the Surgeon Cold Compression Knee Brace. Like you mentioned about the RICE therapy. So this has a cooling effect along with compression. I'll just show you how. So there is a gel pack inside here, which is contoured to the shape of the knee. Okay. So this has to be removed and frozen, kept in the freezer. And after it's frozen for about 90 minutes or so, it can be attached to the knee brace. And then the patient simply has to wrap this around his knee like that. And along with the cooling effect, how the compression is given by means of this pump. So there's a pump here. When you press this, it gets inflated and there's a deflate button so the patient can apply pressure as to how he feels comfortable. And with this, you get the cooling effect along with the compression.
Yes, Aanchal, I think this is like really good because it is kind of really, following the principles of what I'm saying. That is the rest, ice and compression, and it's an all-in-one thing. It's pretty comprehensive, pretty compact, and looks good.
Thank you. Dr. Samira, a lot of people have concerns or issues with their foot and ankle these days. A lot of pain they complain of. What are the most common conditions that you have seen so far with the foot and ankle?
Today's common conditions for the ankle and the foot problems are basically the calcaneal spur, Achilles tendonitis, heel pain, because of plantar fasciitis, and that is what we are looking at commonly.
Dr. Samira, you mentioned about the calcaneal spur. Yes, this is a very, very common indication. I wanted to know, why does this happen to somebody and what are the symptoms to look out for?
The symptoms for the calcaneal spur is acute pain in the heel, difficulty in walking, there is swelling in the localized area, and the reason for it is basically obesity. It could be flat-footed, the person can be, or also the patient has difficulty in walking or some imbalancement of the heel.
How about plantar fasciitis, doctor? Can you elaborate a little more on that?
Yes, the plantar fasciitis, the reason for that is inflammation of the thick band of tissue that connects the heel to the toes. The patient suffers from a lot of pain and swelling. There is a stabbing pain in the heel. The first step in the morning when the patient puts the foot on the ground, there is a nail kind of pricking pain, and there is a lot of difficulty in walking.
Yes, Dr. Samira, calcaneal spur, plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis, these are very, very common foot and ankle issues. In fact, Google says 10 million people suffer from plantar fasciitis in India. That's really a high number. So what would you advise for people who suffer from these conditions?
Well, my advice on the calcaneal spur and the plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis is definitely, most importantly, is the evaluation part. And that's when we decide whether RICE, that is rest, ice, compression, elevation is required, along with physiotherapy. An X-ray is a mandatory aspect of the evaluation, along with an opinion of an orthopedic, the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs which need to be taken along side by side with the compression bandaging, along with the physiotherapy.
Dr. Samira, can you highlight how you would treat these conditions of calcaneal spur and plantar fasciitis?
Change of footwear or adaptive footwear in where you can put in the silicone insoles for adequate weight distribution would definitely help a lot.
Dr. Samira, you mentioned some of the solutions which can help people with calcaneal spurs and plantar fasciitis. I would like to show you two products here. One is you mentioned about compression socks. So these are compression ankle sleeves, which as you said might help patients. And second thing is this unique product, which is the Sorgen cold compression ankle brace. So here, as you said, the RICE effect of having the cold compression, a cold cooling effect along with compression. This is what this product does. There's a gel pack inside which has to be frozen and used. Also, you'll notice that the ankle, this contours exactly to the shape of the ankle, and there's a nice coverage of the whole foot. And along with the cooling effect, there's a pump here which you just press and you get the compression effect also along with the cooling effect. So the patient can apply pressure, inflate and deflate here with the deflate button according to how he feels comfortable, and there you have cooling effect and along with compression together in one product. So doctor, what do you think about this product?
Well, I think this looks great, Achal. This is like a compression and ice thing together, and it works perfectly fine because of the normal alignment that it can fit into the body for the ankle. I think it looks pretty good.
Thank you, doctor. What do you think about this compression ankle sleeve?
Wow, I think this is kind of good. This looks pretty good. It has got enough compression, elasticity around it, and you can wear it over the foot along with the footwear. I think it looks good.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Samira. It was wonderful having you on the wellness show of healthx247.com. I'm sure our audience has largely benefited with your expertise. Thank you.
Yes, Achal, thank you very much for having me on this show. It was my absolute pleasure. Thank you so much.